These are 5 proven YouTube titles that have gotten me and my clients hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube. Listen closely. Let me show you what I do. Getting views on YouTube starts with 2 things, title and thumbnail. I will make a detailed video about thumbnails later on, but I want to get into the titles today because that will make or break the video. And if you're like, oh my gosh, are you sure about these? Are they going to work? I have been on YouTube for about 6 years off and on. I've had different type of styles of channels. I've had mindset channels, beauty channels, and now this channel. And I've helped other people with their YouTube channels as well. So once again, listen closely. These are things that will help you and boost your views. So normally, typically people teach a title formula speaking from an education channel format. So for instance, my first type of title that I like to do is a curiosity hook, right? For example, that would be something like, I posted on TikTok 30 times for 30 days, here's what happened. The audience is naturally going to be like, oh my gosh, what happened? I want to know. Do I need to post on TikTok 30 days? That is from an education-based standpoint. I want to give you some lifestyle examples because most of the people that are on YouTube are in the lifestyle space or trying to make content about their life. So I will use some lifestyle examples to give you an idea how you can use this for your own channel, especially if it's like blog, beauty, lifestyle, and it's not necessarily like education heavy. So like I said, the curiosity hook makes people want to know more. You give them, I tried X for 30 days. I did this for 30 days. I went without this for 30 days. Here's what happened, right? The here's what happened is, okay, you're letting them know, you're going to explain what happened between this time, and what should pique their curiosity is the fact that whatever you said at the beginning of that title relates to them in some way or fashion. So let's say you're in the productivity and wellness niche. Let's say like you don't even do education videos. You just like talking about like what you do, you know, daily vlogs that, you know, you do or things you do to be productive, right? Maybe a video title for you could be, here's what happened when I didn't use my phone for a week. Here's what happened when I stopped being on social media for 30 days. Here's what I spend in a week living in Chicago. I tried No Spend November and let me tell you how it went. My $5 morning routine that feels like luxury. You see how all of these titles could like ignite and spark some curiosity in others, especially people who are like, okay, I like luxury products, but I don't like spending my money on stuff. So this title is making me want to click because she said, here's a $5 luxury that I enjoy, whatever the case may be. And that clicks for me because I would prefer to get luxury without spending that much. You see how you're bringing the people in? And even once again, going back to vlogs, some of these could be tagged to vlogs, right? Because you could literally be doing a vlog about your whole morning routine and how you use luxury products, but luxury products on a budget. And you could just walk them through the whole thing. Use timestamps so they know, okay, can I just skip to the part where you got your $5 morning luxury? Give them the opportunity. Every time I use a title like this, it works. The second type of title is the easy one, the how-to. How-to is the king of YouTube. If you put how to anything, how to underwater basket weave in 30 minutes, how to do a silk press in 20 minutes, how to tie your shoe with just your left hand, how to runs YouTube. You will never find yourself in a place where you do how to consistently and it doesn't work for you because once again, this is a search engine and people are looking for solutions. So for instance, an education channel like mine, I would do something like, here's how to grow your YouTube channel in 30 days. Here's how to start a YouTube channel in 30 days. Here's how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Which I also made that video, so I'm gonna leave it right here. But that would be an example of how to content. Now let's flip it and give it a little lifestyle kick. Here's how to redecorate your space without spending a fortune. Here's how I spend a lazy day in. Here's how I packed for a 2-week vacation with 1 carry-on. Hello, travel vlog title idea. All of these things are giving you guys a solution to a problem. You are finding an audience member that is struggling with something. I talk about a lot of my content. The way that you speak to audience members and you hold retention and you get click through is by finding the desire, the want, the need, and the struggle within that community member that you're seeking. If you know you want the girlies, you want the cutesy girlies who love a good matcha, love their nails done, or just on that baddie energy, what type of videos are you going to create that will attract that audience? And what type of titles would attract that audience? Think of that the next time you think about posting a video. Number 3, the list formula. Love, love, love. Okay, love this one down. Here's 5 easy hacks to make your YouTube profitable. Here's 10 editing tricks to save me time on my YouTube channel. That would be something I could make. So what's some lifestyle examples? 5 things I wish I knew before moving to Miami. Now, I need to make that video. But anyways, 10 Amazon finds that will make your life easier. Hello, people want their lives to be easier. People love Amazon. This video is literally a gold ticket too. If you are in this niche, that is a gold ticket video. 3 outfits I'm loving for the winter right now. 7 habits that keep me productive in the mornings. You got keywords in there. Productive morning, right? Habits. All of these things, when you create that list type of title, you're giving people actionable steps and actionable, okay, I know I'm gonna get 5 pieces of 5 nuggets of advice from this video, right? You're already giving them an outline without giving them an outline. The next thing that I love down, number 4, the problem solution title. This is actually what I use a lot. I actually use this for my most recent video that's doing very well, the stop vlogging video. I said, stop vlogging. Here's why vlogging isn't helping your channel or something like that. I created a problem in the title. For an example, why aren't your videos getting any views and how to fix it? Here's why your watch time sucks and how to fix it. Struggling to get subscribers? Do this instead. That would be something I could post. Let's take the lifestyle approach. Feeling overwhelmed? ? Here's how I simplify my life. Why you're always tired and how to fix it. I was burnt out until I did this. Struggling to stick to a routine? Try this one. So it's so simple to build these, right? Think of your audience member once again, picture them in their mind. When I think of the people that follow me, what comes to mind when I think of what they're struggling with? Most of the people that follow me are starting their YouTube journeys. They're at the beginning phases. So typically what I find, people are struggling with watch hours. They're struggling with getting subscribers. They're struggling with staying consistent. They're struggling with thumbnails. They're struggling with a lot, honey. So I know, okay, I can pull from these struggles and make titles out of them. Do the exact same thing, right? Now, I'm just gonna use something random. Like maybe you're talking to the black girl luxury girly who, you know, likes to spend a lot of money on maintenance days, whatever the case may be. Now, maybe a good video title for an issue for that demographic would be, here's how I found a good service provider in Houston. Here's how I found a good service provider in Atlanta. For nails, whatever the case may be, right? Because that might be something they're struggling with, because obviously they have the money for service providers because they're in that black girl luxury space. They want to spend money on themselves, maintenance, all those things. Now, what are they struggling with? Do that. Lastly, the number and outcome formula. I love this one down, and I have a video with a title like this coming really soon. A good example of this would be 3 tricks that got me 10,000 subscribers in 30 days. Here's how I doubled my watch time with 2 changes. Let's take the lifestyle approach. Here's how I made my small apartment look twice as big. 2 small changes that I made to make my mornings hassle-free. 5 simple hacks to save me money every month. All of these examples provide storytelling, appealing to emotion, and actually hearing and relating to the audience that you are wanting to attract. You have to make your title specific and emotional. You have to make them want to click. You can't just say the basics and expect your videos to go far. You really have to spend as much time as you spend on the thumbnail in the titles and how can I make it better? How can I use keywords that will attract this type of person? How can I invoke an emotion in them and make them feel vulnerable and make them feel heard, seen, and related to? So there you have it. Those are literally my 5 title secrets I literally use on repeat on my channel. You'll literally go through my whole channel. You'll see nothing but this type of framework for all of my titles because that is what works. I'm not pulling this idea out of my mind or just randomly putting titles up. I obviously am using SEO too, which I will make another video about SEO soon. Using SEO paired with these 5 frameworks, that is how you create a good title. If you found some value in this video, which I know you did, make sure you drop that secret emoji here so I can see, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, as always, I offer one-on-one services if that's something you're interested in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.